You can do them. They just throw on the ground. Look, they're all over there. I don't know where they used to be over here, but now they're not.
Oh!
There's a fire truck.
Someone's shoe got lit on fire. Yo, should we do? I like these. Hold up.
Let me grab them out here.
Yeah. Cool motorcycle.
It's a bike.
Oh, my bad.
This is all they do. See?
Yeah. They're cool.
They might pop in your hand. Careful.
Okay.
Oh, I'm dropping them. What?
I think my socks fell out. Who knows?
Wow.
Damn! Wait.
Hey, what if
Damn!
I throw the whole bag on the floor?
No, don't. No. You'll be wasting shit. Oh!
Look, all of them over there. Whoa.
Damn, my camera's so crappy. What the hell?
I'm so scared of you. Alright, you want to finish them off?
Yeah, should I throw them?
Yeah, there's like 10 left. I threw the garbage.
Wait, I wanna.
Oh, drop off. Yeah.
Duck! Looking for ones that survived. None of them survived. Yo, I'm recording. Should we do?
Yeah, that's normally where they happen, but they also haven't done that. So I wonder if they
Wait.
Shit, we don't need to light anymore.
I'm so confused.
Fine, I can light your lighter, or light your thing. Shane, come here. Shane, come here. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Nope. Hold this.
Yeah, don't ever put your phone on the ground. It's crummy.
Yeah.
You can put it on the railing.
Mom, light this for me. That light's a lot better. Careful for the weight. And
Good thing the sparks don't really hurt.
no,
Are they molten?
that's a loud. That's a long whistle, dude.
Do you want a coat on?
No. No, I'm okay.
What the heck? It like wasn't lighting and the lights.
Yo, my camera's so bad that it looks like it's just straight up light.
Shane, lick your fingers and then pinch it.
No, don't do that.
Why? What happens?
Too much.
I've done it before. I've done it on the candle before.
What happens?
Hey, put it up.
Yo, I'm gonna touch you.
Hey! You light my clothes on fire, I'll use steam.
Damn!
See, now you can see it.
Damn, my phone looks like it's just flashing. Damn, now it's just getting lighted again.
Whoa. Did you see that? There's like a big flashlight behind the school. It like, looked like a nuclear thing.
Yeah.
Whoa, Mom! Fires are... Shane, move it away from the dry grass. Shane, move it away from the dry
Get out here, Shannon. Out
You
here,
just-
Shannon. When you do fireworks, you should be away from any grass or anything like that because that's what causes fires.
Oh, my bad.
That's probably what those people did downtown. They were probably people in the grass.
Oh!
Yeah, I just saw a little mini fire.
Yo, why is that guy
Yeah, I
parked
don't see
there?
the ones downtown. They're normally coming up right there.
Yo! Look at that.
Another cop. See, that's why they need cops out because there's always fire.
Yeah, who is starting a fire in the
It's
woods?
like last year. What was it last year?
Oh! Oh!
Some kid.
Oh! Yo!
We threw a fire.
Oh, shit!
House or something like that. It was bad.
I can capture them both. God.
Actually,
They're happening.
they were. Oh, now they are. People were actually going to go here. They usually are. Wait, are you sure that's them? I don't think that's them.
Big ass fireworks, dude.
The ones I normally see go above.
Yeah, these are big.
Ow!
Oh, you
Who the?
Answer. That's your father.
Hello? Hello?
Yo, who's starting? Yo, why are the cops here? Who's starting the fire?
No one's starting fire. Chillax.
Oh! 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 Yo!
Faded.
Legendary moment on video. Damn. I wish I could get a better camera. Because all the lights are just getting smeared.
They're lighting up some nice big ones, like a whole bunch. They haven't started yet. Everybody's waiting. I told you, because the ones I normally see, my camera catches, and they go above this house. So that one has to be from somebody's house.
Oh!
It should start soon. They have
I forgot to record. I pressed pause and forgot to I'm so stupid.
Jaden, the biggest show is coming soon. It hasn't started yet. That'll come from that way.
There?
Yep, and it'll be above it should be above the house. You'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see them a lot better than you can see these two.
Where?
It'll be in front of you, but they haven't started yet. People are waiting downtown. Grandpa just called me. They're still waiting.
Should we go?
Go where?
Should we go?
No, you'll be able to see them from here, I promise.
Oh!
My phone captures it, or the camera captures it, and then go on too.
Yo, wait, they're making a movie based
They're
off
just-
it. There's bombs going off.
I'm not sure what's taking them so long. Everybody's downtown probably thinking, let's go.
I wish we could go downtown to see them.
Shooting downtown is so crowded, you wouldn't even be able to get downtown.
Why?
There's so many people down there, we'd be surrounded by people. Like everywhere.
For what?
When right here shooting, right here, you'll be able to see them just fine from here.
Also,
That
my
was-
stylus is gone.
That one's from somebody's house, it has to be.
Also, my stylus is gone. It used to be in my phone.
I think that's the show.
What? Where?
Over the school.
See, but that doesn't look high enough. Oh, those ones are pretty big though.
Yeah, there's no way those are,
Just hope this video. Oh! Just hope this video doesn't take up my whole phone storage.
I remember when we went to the Tyler show, I recorded like the whole thing and it took up all my phone storage.
Damn. Hope you didn't delete it.
I did delete it.
Oh!
It's from my old phone, so I didn't look for it again.
Damn, you should have kept it.
I saw the show.
But that was.
Yeah, I think maybe that might be them. I thought they were over here.
But that was probably legendary.
Look,
Oh!
here they come. Look at that. Look from all over. Look at that.
Are the shows starting?
I think so. See, but the ones from downtown are usually higher. Like those are big, but like
Cooking some rock.
Don't take the rock.
What? What? Cool smoke. Oh! Yo, my phone's all crappy. Every light is smeared. What the hell? Oh!
she didn't. Don't scream every time.
What? It's cool as hell.
I know, but
Why do other people scream when cool fireworks go off? Why can't I? Damn, my phone's so crappy. Damn, there's a lot of cars than usual. What the hell? No, we gotta. No. Even the signs are like shaking due to the wind. Why aren't they making any sound? Oh! Yo!
so I don't
the show starting?
I
Yep.
assume maybe that is the show. It gets more and more as it goes along, but could be an opposite side.
If my phone hasn't ever saving this video, I'm gonna be mad. Yo! Yo! They're hot. Ah! Oh! Oh! Ooh! Bombs are going off! Damn! That was a big one. Oh! I wish we could fire off other fireworks. Can we?
You don't have much left.
Who cares? Damn! The show is going off. What?
We can take a video, but I don't want you cussing in my video.
Fireworks?
And the fireworks are not worth letting off. The only fireworks we have left are like poppers and snakes.
Ah! Yo, that was sick. Hope this video. Hope.
You gonna pop him?
Yeah. I'm gonna grab a popper. You're watching TikTok?
No.
I heard.
I don't know.
That's definitely from TikTok. Yo, what? Oh, thank you. Oh!
He's going fast. He's beautiful.
Ooh! Yo! Why aren't some of them not making sound? Oh.
Well, because they're far away, you don't hear it very loud.
And this phone is about to take up my storage.
You don't have to record everything. It's nice to